Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best weight benches from Yoleo and other leading brands that are perfect for home gyms and strength training enthusiasts. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned lifter, this list has something for everyone. Stick around as we compare build quality, adjustability, and overall value. And as always, you can find the product links in the description below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Nice People Basic Weight Bench. This bench is an excellent entry-level option, particularly for beginners looking to establish their first home gym. It features 8 adjustable backrest positions that allow for incline, decline, and flat setups, making it versatile enough for a variety of exercises. With a weight capacity of 660 pounds, it's sturdy enough for most users and their weights. The design of the Nice People bench is straightforward but effective. The steel frame ensures stability, and the adjustable non-slip foot caps make it suitable for different floor types. The thickened pad, covered in sweat-proof and anti-slip leather, not only adds durability, but also makes your workout comfortable, especially during longer sessions. Plus, the bench is compact, foldable, and easy to set up in just 3 minutes, which is great for those with limited space. However, while it's a solid product for beginners, it may not be the best choice for advanced lifters or those who require more adjustability. The lack of leg adjustment options and the relatively lower padding thickness compared to premium models are worth noting. Overall, this bench provides great value for casual users who want a simple, no-frills workout bench. Pros: affordable, easy to assemble, compact. Cons: limited adjustability, thinner padding. Coming in at number 4 is the Flybird Adjustable Strength Training Bench. With over 20 years of experience behind the brand, Flybird has a reputation for producing durable and high-quality fitness equipment. This bench boasts an impressive 800-pound weight capacity, thanks to its commercial-grade steel frame and balanced structural design. It's built for users who need reliability and stability during intense workouts. One standout feature of the Flybird bench is its quick adjust mechanism. With 8 backrest positions and 3 seat positions, you can smoothly transition between flat, incline, and decline setups. The self-resilient spring lock allows for one-handed adjustments, which saves time and effort during your session. The padding is firm yet comfortable, covered in wear-resistant leather that ensures durability. At 18.5 inches in height, it provides excellent support and stability for your feet during exercises. While it's more robust than the Nice People bench, its weight of 28.5 pounds makes it slightly less portable. Additionally, though it folds to save up to 80% of space, its folded dimensions are still a bit larger than some competitors. This bench is ideal for intermediate to advanced users who want a sturdy, long-lasting bench with a high weight capacity. Pros: durable build, high weight capacity, quick adjustments. Cons: heavier and less compact when folded. Taking the 3rd spot is the Yoleo 880 pounds max adjustable weight bench. This bench is designed for heavy lifters, offering a massive weight capacity of 880 pounds. Made with a robust alloy steel frame, it's built to handle the most demanding workouts. The inclusion of a detachable headrest and a built-in bench press rod makes it especially appealing for taller users and those focusing on heavy upper body strength training. What sets this bench apart is its extensive adjustability. With 270 adjustable combinations, including 10 backrest positions, 3 leg positions, and 3 head positions, you can customize your setup for virtually any exercise. The backrest even adjusts to a 90-degree vertical position, which is perfect for shoulder presses. Despite its hefty capabilities, the bench folds down in just 10 seconds and saves up to 80% of storage space, making it surprisingly practical for home gyms. The only downside is its relatively higher price point and slightly heavier build at 30.4 pounds, which might be overkill for casual users. But if you're a serious lifter or a taller individual who needs extra support, this is a fantastic investment. Pros: high weight capacity, extensive adjustability, tall, user-friendly. Cons: heavier and pricier than other options. In second place, we have the Yoleo adjustable weight bench with extended head neck protection. Rated for a 660-pound capacity, this bench is all about ergonomic design and user comfort. The extended headrest and curved backrest provide excellent support for your spine and reduce strain on the neck and lumbar regions, which is a standout feature for taller users or those with back issues. With 90 adjustable options, including 10 backrest positions and 3 each for the seat and legs, this bench offers versatility for a wide range of exercises. The 90-degree vertical backrest is particularly useful for shoulder presses. Its ladder-style adjustment system is quick and secure, and at just 23 pounds, it's one of the more portable options on this list. The bench folds down to a compact size, making it easy to store when not in use. While it's a reliable and versatile bench, it does lack some of the advanced features found in the Yoleo Max model, such as a bench press rod. However, for users prioritizing comfort and space-saving design, this is an excellent mid-tier option. Pros: ergonomic design, lightweight and portable, great for taller users. Cons: fewer advanced features for heavy lifters. And finally, at number 1 is the Yoleo adjustable weight bench for full-body workout. This bench strikes the perfect balance between functionality, portability, and affordability, making it the best all-around option for most users. It features 84 adjustable combinations with 7 backrest positions, 4 seat positions, and 3 leg positions, catering to a wide variety of exercises like bench presses, rows, and tricep dips. What makes this bench stand out is its compact design. Weighing only 23.1 pounds, it's easy to move around and folds down to just 31.5 inches in length, perfect for tight spaces. Despite its lightweight build, the double triangle structure and heavy-duty steel frame provide rock-solid stability, supporting up to 660 pounds. The high-density foam and PU leather padding ensure a comfortable workout experience, while the quick ladder-style adjustment system allows you to switch angles in seconds. The Yoleo adjustable weight bench is ideal for anyone from beginners to intermediate users who want a versatile and dependable bench for their home gym. Pros: highly adjustable, compact, and lightweight, excellent value. Cons: may lack the advanced features and higher capacity of premium models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right weight bench for your home gym. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. Got questions about any of these benches? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.